Guys, welcome back to Crafting Together. Today we had a shirt of crafting together. So let me tell you something. Today we're gonna do something so different. Because look how cool. We went outside, yes, outside, and we grabbed one of these little branches. Okay guys, so I attached the floral foam first, and I forgot that I can attach the floral foam first. So what I'm gonna do is after you get this, what you have to do is take this candle holder, and we're going to find a place where it could be like a little bit flat. I want it to be like there. Then I'm gonna put hot glue in here. You have to make sure to put enough hot glue like that, right? And then I'm gonna continue and grab the other one. Then after you leave it there, just find your spot. Once you find your spot, put enough of hot glue all around it like that. Remember, this is what's gonna attach it into place, so you have to make sure to put enough. Then hold it down like that. If you have to put more around it. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other one. Okay. There you have it, guys. Tom, 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 tom. So after you hear, then you're gonna take this floral foam. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna do this like that in two pieces. I don't want to make a thick piece because remember, I don't want that to show. So I'm just gonna do a tiny piece on each side. Okay, this one don't fit there, this one does, right there. So then after that, we're just gonna put hot glue. Place it right there. Hold it down, and it does attach. Just hold it and make sure to put it up. I did it. You can see the white part that I couldn't take it off when I forgot to place the candle holder first. So you just gotta put enough hot glue and then hold it down. Okay, so then after that, we're gonna take our branches, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place branches around it like that. So what I'm doing right now is just filling it up with little branches all around it, like that, just to cover the whole thing, to make it extra cute. For some of these, you could also use a toothpick, right? Place it inside and then just attach it around it like that. I'm just gonna put like cute little different branches. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these white flowers and place it around. I'm also gonna do some red. I'm just gonna do like a little hint of red right here. Maybe we could do one right here, right? That is cute. We'll do one here. I'm gonna place one in the back. This one right there. Ooh, guys, look how cute. I don't know, you can't see it in the camera, but this is how it would looks like that. It shows like that little part. Let's just go ahead and plug our candle. Let's place our candle in here. You could always just do this, it's easier. And then just go ahead, hold it down and let it dry. Tell me what you think. Just go ahead and be honest. Go ahead, let it out. I know, to me it looks amazing. It looks cute, it's unique, it's different. Anyways, thanks again for watching Crafting Together. So they have these in Walmart, and these, it's like, I bought it for on special. They were like one something 150 each, which is very cheap and expensive, but you can just get any regular bowl and like a little flat plate. So for this DIY, I'm gonna take this ball, I'm gonna place it upside down. The best way to attach it is not to place it in the middle. You just place it in this edge like that. Right? Place it around it, and then we're going to go ahead and attach it right in the middle, and then attach it into place, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip it around. One of these floral foam, and we're gonna place a little bit of hot glue around it. And then I'm gonna attach it in the middle. If I wanted to place more, then at the end, because you have a lot of branches, then just cut it into pieces around it. For now, I'm just gonna leave it as this one, but if I'm gonna need more, that's what I'm gonna do. So you already know. And then I'm gonna place it like that. Guys, the only thing I'm doing is just attaching in place around it like that. Pretty simple and pretty easy. This could be more like a table decor, I think. Like to place it in I'm gonna do it like that. Like to place it on a table like that. I'm gonna do it a little bit colorful. This is like maybe for a colorful party like outside. If you guys want to throw up an outside party. See, like that. I'm gonna put some white as well. Place it in here. If you don't have the little branches, remember you could always just use the stick that I used, the wooden stick. I don't know that you use for like barbecues and stuff like that. I'm just gonna fill it up so we don't see like the floral foam and stuff. Just attach it to the stick in there like that. So I'm just gonna continue attaching flower in the back as well, just to make it good. Guys, this is a simple and very cute centerpiece. I love the color. The mixture of the color, I think it looks great. So I grabbed one of these little container. They come like in cleared. So then I spray painted in black. Take a floral foam. I'm gonna take another piece of floral foam, and then I'm gonna take another piece and place it there because I want the height to change. Like the smaller one, I'm gonna place it through here. If I want to like the branch to be higher here, and then the higher one on top. That's what I'm thinking in my head, you know. So then I'm gonna take my hot glue and I'm gonna put it in there like that. And then I'm going to attach it in there. Hold it down like that. Then I'm gonna take this small one and I'm gonna do the same thing and attach it right in there. Like that. Just hold it down until it attached together and it dries up like that. Once it's attached, we're gonna take the container and then we're gonna place some hot glue. Now we're gonna place enough of hot glue in here because we need to hold this part really good, because remember this is what's gonna have all the branches and all the flower. So you have to make sure you put enough and you have to make sure you let it dry really good, and you have to make sure it attached to your container. And I'm just gonna start placing it like that in here. I'm just filling it up with branches like that. Okay, so once we put a little branches, I'm gonna take this like a branch of flowers. I'm just gonna cut this part out. I'm gonna take these little branches and place it inside, right? And then I'm gonna take a flower and place it inside as well, like that, right? And then we're going to attach it. And we're gonna attach it in there. I'm gonna place a few of these around it like that. You see how cute that's gonna turn out? And I'm gonna take one here and place it right in the middle right here. Maybe put some of this here, the other side. Maybe I'm also gonna place, you know, these little beads that come. It's like a little string like that. I was thinking of placing it like that. So let's do that. Right in there. And right here. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue in there.